The United States has officially entered a new chapter in military aviation with the unveiling of the first-ever unmanned Black Hawk helicopter. Developed from the iconic Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk platform, this autonomous version represents a dramatic leap in battlefield technology, potentially redefining how wars are fought and how soldiers are supported in high-risk environments. The Black Hawk has long been a symbol of American air power. Built by Sikorsky Aircraft, now a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin, the helicopter has served in countless missions ranging from troop transport and medical evacuation to special operations and disaster relief. Transforming such a legendary aircraft into an unmanned system signals not just innovation, but a shift in doctrine. The autonomous variant is largely based on the UH-60 airframe, but integrates advanced flight control algorithms and autonomous navigation systems. This technology enables the helicopter to take off, fly pre-programmed routes, avoid obstacles, and land without a human pilot on board. The integration of these systems has been made possible through the DARPA-funded Alias program. Led by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency Point, one of the most important breakthroughs in the unmanned Black Hawk is its ability to operate in contested environments. In modern warfare, adversaries increasingly deploy sophisticated air defense systems, electronic warfare tools, and anti-aircraft missiles. Removing pilots from the cockpit dramatically reduces the risk to human life while still allowing critical missions to proceed. The helicopter's autonomous system is capable of dynamic decision-making in real time. Using onboard sensors, radar, and AI-powered processing, it can adjust to changing weather, unexpected obstacles, or shifting battlefield conditions. This ability mirrors the situational awareness of a trained pilot, but without fatigue, fear, or physical limitations. The implications for military logistics are enormous. The U.S. Army has relied on the Black Hawk for decades to resupply troops in remote or hostile areas. An unmanned version could deliver ammunition, food, medical supplies, or even evacuate casualties without exposing pilots to enemy fire. This is especially crucial in high-threat zones where helicopter losses could have strategic consequences. Another major advantage lies in cost efficiency over time. While development costs are significant, autonomous systems reduce the long-term expenses associated with pilot training, life support systems, and certain safety redundancies. Additionally, unmanned systems can potentially operate longer hours with fewer operational constraints. Strategically, this move places the United States ahead in the race for autonomous military aviation. Nations such as China and Russia have been aggressively developing drone and AI-powered aircraft technologies. By upgrading an already battle-tested platform like the Black Hawk, the U.S. ensures rapid deployment capability without starting from scratch. The technology also enhances mission flexibility. The unmanned Black Hawk can be remotely supervised by operators from secure ground stations, allowing multiple aircraft to be coordinated simultaneously. This could lead to swarming logistics operations or synchronized support missions across wide operational theaters. Importantly, the aircraft retains the same physical capabilities as its manned counterpart. It can carry substantial payloads, fly at high speeds, and operate in diverse climates, from desert heat to Arctic cold. Maintaining these core attributes ensures compatibility with existing infrastructure and mission planning systems. The psychological impact of such technology should not be underestimated. Adversaries aware that U.S. forces can deploy autonomous helicopters may reconsider tactics that rely on targeting pilots. The shift removes a traditional vulnerability and introduces uncertainty into enemy planning. The unmanned Black Hawk also represents a stepping stone toward fully autonomous combat aircraft. While the current iteration focuses on transport and support roles, the technological foundation could eventually extend to more complex mission profiles, including reconnaissance or even armed escort operations. Testing of the autonomous system has demonstrated impressive reliability. In trial flights, the helicopter performed complex maneuvers, including obstacle avoidance and precision landings, without human input. These tests have built confidence within the U.S. military leadership about broader deployment. Cybersecurity remains a central focus. Because autonomous systems rely heavily on software and communications, they must be hardened against hacking or electronic interference. Developers have emphasized encrypted communications and resilient control architectures to ensure operational security. Beyond combat applications, this technology could influence humanitarian missions. During natural disasters, unmanned Black Hawks could deliver aid to areas too dangerous for crews due to environmental hazards, infrastructure collapse, or ongoing instability. The evolution of the Black Hawk platform reflects broader trends in defense innovation. Artificial intelligence, automation, and robotics are increasingly integrated into traditional systems. The unmanned helicopter is not just an upgrade. It symbolizes a doctrinal transformation in how military assets are deployed. Training requirements will also shift significantly. Instead of focusing exclusively on pilot training, the military will need specialists in AI oversight, systems engineering, and cyber operations. This transition signals a broader modernization effort within the armed forces. Critics, however, raise concerns about autonomy in military systems. Questions about accountability, ethical considerations, and decision-making authority continue to shape public debate. The U.S. Department of Defense maintains that human oversight remains integral to operational control. Another important factor is interoperability. The unmanned Black Hawk must integrate seamlessly with existing command and control networks. Its communication systems are designed to function within established U.S. military digital infrastructure, ensuring coordination with other air and ground assets. In terms of deployment, analysts expect gradual integration rather than immediate large-scale replacement of manned helicopters. Mixed fleets will likely operate together, allowing commanders to choose between crewed and uncrewed options depending on mission risk and complexity. The unveiling also sends a signal to allies. NATO partners and other U.S. allies may look to adopt similar upgrades, strengthening collective capabilities. This could shape future multinational operations and interoperability standards. Industrial implications are equally significant. Companies involved in autonomous systems, AI software, and advanced sensors may see increased defense contracts. The defense sector's innovation ecosystem is likely to expand as demand for such technologies grows. The history of the Black Hawk is filled with pivotal moments, from its introduction in the late 1970s to its role in major operations worldwide. Transitioning this iconic aircraft into an autonomous platform marks, perhaps, its most transformative evolution yet. From a tactical perspective, commanders gain new options. High-risk insertion or extraction missions can now be conducted without putting air crews in harm's way. This changes risk calculations and expands operational flexibility. The move aligns with the Pentagon's broader modernization strategy, emphasizing multi-domain operations and technological superiority. Autonomous systems are expected to play a central role in maintaining that edge in future conflicts. Public reaction has been mixed, but largely intrigued. The idea of pilotless helicopters once belonged to science fiction. Today, it is a tangible reality backed by rigorous testing and strategic planning. While the unmanned Black Hawk is not yet a complete replacement for human pilots, it represents a powerful complement to existing capabilities. The technology demonstrates that autonomy is no longer theoretical. It is operational. Looking ahead, further upgrades may include enhanced AI learning capabilities, expanded payload configurations, and integration with unmanned ground or naval systems. The trajectory points toward increasingly networked and autonomous military ecosystems. Ultimately, the unveiling of the unmanned Black Hawk underscores a simple but profound reality. Warfare is evolving rapidly. By combining decades of proven airframe reliability with cutting-edge autonomy, the United States is signaling its intent to lead in the next era of military aviation.